What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of Design Box Architecture. In today's episode, we are going to learn how to make copies of lines and objects in Autocad. Alright, guys, so know that in Autocad there's a tool named the copy tool, and this tool is what we are going to use throughout the whole video. So it's actually located in the home tab and in the modify ribbon. So I'll just move the cursor to the copy tool so you know what I'm talking about. Okay, this is the copy tool. As you can see, it has this 3 circles, like 1 circle on top and then 2 circles at the bottom, with an arrow showing that the single circle at the top has been made twice at the bottom. So alright, and then before we make a copy of something, you have to have an object or a line on the sheet, on the drawing sheet. So we are going to draw a line, and then we make a copy of the line. Alright, guys, so at this point we would have to draw a line and then make a copy of it. But before that, kindly subscribe to the channel and like the videos. This helps the channel to grow. Alright, so to those who don't know how to draw a line in Autocad, I already made a video showing how to draw a line in Autocad, so kindly visit that, and then you can come back to this afterwards. Alright, so I'll just draw the line and then I'll show you how to make a copy of that line I drew. So let's get the line drawn. Alright, so we have our line. Now I want to make a copy of this line. So we move to the copy tool in Autocad, which is found in the home tab and also in the modify ribbon. I move to it, I left click once on it, and then I move to the line that I want to make a copy of. I left click once on the line. You see the line I drew becomes dashed or broken. So with that, I right click once, then I left click once again to be able to grab it and then make a copy of the line that I make. So at this point, you just move it to wherever you want to make the copy to, whether up, whether left, whether right, whether bottom, anywhere at all you want to paste it. You just send it there, and then you left click once, then you hit the space bar once, and then you have a copy of the line. Alright, guys, this is how to make a copy of a line. Kindly subscribe to the channel. This actually gives me a feedback of how much you like the videos and for me to make more of it. Alright, thank you and have a good one.